Hi guys, 11:24 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyo lahat. Take 2 po tayo, BFF. And apologies na naputol yung earlier sharing natin. But now, yes, I just concluded po my online consult from my client in New York, USA. Yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you for all the blessing. And yes, even in Kuala Lumpur, BFF, I have new clients. Wow, thank you. So much blessing po that our market po is growing. And there's even an invitation in Singapore. Wow, I'm so humbled po, BFF, that, as a Filipino, okay, we're being invited po to Malaysia and even invited po sa Singapore. And even the US. Yeah, so wow, what a 2025, napakaganda po. And thank you all for the support, for your prayers. Maraming pong salamat. And of course, giving it back. Let's do the sharing. Okay, BFF tomorrow. Okay, let's again check it. Okay, let me get our Tongshu. Okay, tomorrow. Yan. Tagal-tagal po din na bukla to Nakakamiss po, ano? Nakakamiss. Okay. Saturday, January 25 is called the Wood Horse. Enter the Initiate Auspicious Day. Oh, ang ganda nito. Wow. So it says here, it's to initiate. Initiate what? O, tingnan po natin, BFF. Ano pang pwedeng gawin? Okidoki. Let's check. January 25. Sabi dito, suit for seeking blessings, making a donation, traveling, going to sea, house cleaning, groundbreaking, burial, haircut, and purchases, all good for tomorrow. Avoid contracts, investment, and trading, not good for tomorrow, BFF. Okay, good for whom? Sino bang swerte tomorrow? Rat and ox are quite challenging. Tiger's very good. Rabbit is average. Dragon is challenging. Snake is average. Horse and goat, very good. Monkey, challenging. Rooster, average. Dogs, very good. And pig is average. Wow, sarap naman ito. Okay. So, having said that, with 10x everything, let's check the daily Chimen. O, ito namimiss na. Dami nito nag-message. Opo, thank you Daming nakakamiss dito sa Daily Chimen. Okay, tingnan po natin. Silipin po natin. Anong pwede ba tomorrow? Okay. Sabi po dito, if you want to tell us being beautiful and handsome, you want to have resources in any form, talikod ka whole day and now until 10:59 the next day, talikod ka sa south. For the game changer, talikod ka sa west. If you want to create opportunities and find a good medical practitioner, talikod ka sa northwest. Health is wealth and wisdom, talikod ka sa north. And for finances, heart-to-heart talk, anything to do with peace on earth, negotiations, talikod ka naman sa northeast. And then, syempre naman, eto na. Kuya Norman, may green dragon ka ba dyan? May flying bird ka ba? Opo, syempre po naman. Meron po tayo niyan. Okay. Let's check it. Okay, sabi po dito. Okay. As early as 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. talikod sa east, it's flying bird fall into cave. Where blessing comes to you, that's 5 a.m. to 6:59 a.m. And then, ang susunod po would be a jade maiden watching the door, that's 11 a.m. to 12:59 p.m. talikod sa south. And another flying bird fall into cave, 9 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. Again, talikod sa east. There you have it. Okay, so yun pong napag-usapan po sa Singapore, napag-usapan po sa Malaysia, and the secret day of Dato JY, Dato Joey regarding the Feng Shui astrology is that there are two choices po, BFF. Would you, sa snake here, would snake 2025, would you be the snake food? Pagkain po nung ahas o ikaw po ang magiging snake charmer? The one controlling the snake. So, it's your choice. Dalawa lang po pagpipilian. Pagkain ng snake or ikaw po yung taga-control ng snake. So, to choose. So, again, may bonus po tayo. Sa Chinese New Year, I know many of you are asking, ano bang ihahanda? Ano dapat mo maghanda? Yeah, if you want to, if you want to celebrate it, perfectly fine. But again, BFF, meron po tayong assignment in looking up the stars May 3 locations po ng stars related to nobility, helpful people, to health, wealth, and happiness. And then, pag nakita mo yung stars na yun at a given period of time, you have to pray po pag nakita mo yung bituin. Pag walang bituin, sorry, next year. Pag nakita mo, wow, pretty good 2025. So, I'll give that to you. And as promised, iisa-isahin po natin, hihimay-himayin po natin yung FSA Singapore, Malaysia, and the Secret Day. Why? Kasi po, what was given to us is the patchy or the birthday of Singapore, the birthday of Malaysia. But I will do po is compute the birthday of our country para po mas tailor-fitted for us. So, gagawin po natin yon as may commitment to you, BFF. Iko-compute ko po ang patchy chart o birthday ng Pilipinas para po tailor-fitted sa atin. Kasi magkaiba po. Kaya nga po, nagkaroon po ng comparing notes eh. Sabi nga po ng taga Singapore, bakit naman nung nagtuturo si Dato dito sa Singapore, parang ang bagal niya magsalita. Mabagal magsalita, kukonti ang topics na covered, kukonti ang notes. While in Kuala Lumpur, ang bilis na magsalita ni Dato Joey, ang daming in-offer. Well, of course, taga-roon po siya. Sa Malaysia po, ang daming notes. That's may Secret Day pa. Wow! So sabi ng mga taga-Singapore, ba't ganun? Eh, syempre po naman, taga-roon nga si Dato Joey sa Malaysia. It's obvious. But, let's not mind that. What is important is I'll compute for you the Philippine settings and share it to you how we go about. Pagsaluhan po natin ito. Okay, let's compute it. Tailor-fitted for us Filipino po yung i-compute kong patchy chart. Okay? Again, BFF, thank you so much for your prayers, for your opportunity to being able to share. Again, our exchange of energies is like and share po. Maybe out there will be needing this kind of information. Again, I thank you so much for the almost 20 plus years of your support to my previous clients, to my new clients po, and to my future clients. I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Also, on behalf of my family po. Thank you so much. Maraming pong salamat. And hope to see you soon, BFF ha. And again, let us continuously pray for each other. Let us continuously pray for our leaders. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. BFF, good night.